So to get started with Gizmos with your students, the first thing you need to do after you log in is to create a class and add them to the class and also enable their Gizmos access. So once you log in, you'll land on a page that looks like this, and you'll go ahead and click on Manage Students. Now what you're going to do is, if you don't already have a class created for those particular students, you're going to add a class and you're going to name that class. So this is my period 10 science, and then I'm going to click Add Class. So now I'm in this class and I need to add students from the roster. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and you should see a very full list of students that are in the database. This is my sample one, so I only have one student here. So you're going to check off all the students that belong in this particular class, and you do have some options to filter by grade level to make it a little bit easier to search for people in the database. Otherwise, they'll be in alphabetical order. And then you're going to click Add to Class. Now, once they're in here, if they have never used Gizmos before, this G next to their name indicates the Gizmos application, and it may be grayed out. If it is grayed out, what you need to do is click on it and make sure that it is enabled for them. So you should get a pop-up asking you to enable it. Unfortunately, you can only do this enabling process one at a time for each student. Once you have enabled this for all of your students, then what you can do is go to this option over here that says Print, and you can get student login cards. And what this is cards that you can cut up and give to each one of your students. So the students are going to be logging into Gizmos using their educators or their teacher's username. In this case, this is mine, and that will show up here. And then they're going to have to know their password. So this is information they can take a picture with their phone, put it somewhere safe so that they have this, and you can print this out and give that to them. And if you want a copy of for yourself, you can print out also the class roster or save this, and this will give you a list of all the students in your class along with their passwords. Just so you can see what this looks like from the student view, I'm going to pop over. I'm going to create a incognito window here, and I'm going to go to Explore Learning. So when the students go to log in, they will go to the Explore Learning homepage. They will click on Gizmos, and the student login, they're going to use their teacher's username. That's what's listed on their card. So they will click here, they will put in your username, and then they will put in their password. So I hope this helps with creating your class in Explore Learning.